Hi, second graders. For your Sunday worksheet today, you're going to find the words that match the underlined sound. So, k, ite, the k sound, s, j, joy, g, forgot. So if I have keep, k, starts with the k, so it goes under kite. Be careful there, because ch, it starts with a G, but does it make the g sound? No, it makes the j sound. So j, would go under joy. Okay, goat, g, oat. G makes the g sound, so it goes under the G for got. So make sure you touch spell and then you put them in the correct spots because sometimes they make that different sound. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing with the bottom, but these are ending sounds. Ch, b, s, p, a, j, g. So if I have j, I would put it under page, and so on. All right, have fun. Using your best handwriting, and you have all lowercase letters.